I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm preparing some things ahead of time for our upcoming deer season here in Missouri. So today I am making banana nut muffins. It is a quick, easy thing to throw in my pack and eat when I first get to the woods. And if you'll check out my playlist, you'll see some other ready-made meals that I've done that I will be also using during that hunting time periods. We currently have bow season going on until January 15th, except for during gun season. And our gun season is for 10 days in November, right before Thanksgiving. And then we have a antlerless only season that's, I think, 9 days in December. And then in between those, we can bow hunt. So anyway, back to the cooking. So I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I have sprayed my pans with Pam cooking spray. Now I know that this recipe makes 10 jumbo muffins, so I have sprayed 10, one whole tray and then 4 in the other. So I'm going to start off with 2.25 cups of, 2.25 cups of flour. So that was 1. Two, and I have a pre-measured 1/4 cup here. To that, we're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, our next item is 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now I kind of want to whisk these together first before I add any wet ingredients. I just don't like all my spices in one bite. Okay, and then we're going to start adding the wet ingredients. So first I have 1/2 cup of oil. I use canola because I have a lot of allergies, but you can use whatever kind of oil you typically use. And 3 eggs. These are fresh from our chickens. And I kind of break them up a bit before I throw them in. Kind of stir them. Okay, next is 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to kind of go ahead and whisk this together a little bit before I add the banana. I want to get all the flour and dry mixture incorporated in. It's just easier before you add the banana. You could use a mixer to mix this up, but I find it just as easy to do it by hand. You would just mix on low. still some in the corners that I couldn't get to with the whisk. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Okay, so now I'm going to fold in the banana. Oh brother, I'm going to fold in the banana. And now I am going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice because I am allergic to cornstarch. If you prefer cornstarch, feel free to use that. It would be 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry, of baking powder. I said cornstarch, but I meant baking powder. So I just mix that up and it kind of fizzes in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in there now. Mix that in. Okay, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped nuts. And then we're going to put it in the pans. Now we're going to fill these each spot to 3/4 full. Let's see. Might. Oh man. Let's get these in the oven. And I'm going to bake these for 25 minutes, again at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll check back with you when the timer goes off. Okay, the timer's gone off, so we will check them. Should be done. Let's just make sure they're pulled away from the side. Yeah, they come out clean. Yep. Okay, so at this point I'll cool them for about 5 minutes in the pans on top of the stove because I have the racks underneath, so it's like a cooling rack. And after that I will dump them out onto cooling racks. And make sure they're standing up so I don't flatten my tops. And then once they're cooled completely, this is where I will cool them. And this is my second batch, so I've already made one batch. And you can put them 1 or 2 to a quart size Ziploc and put them in the freezer for later use. So again, I'm getting these ready for hunting season, so I'm real excited about that. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos on your social media. It's the best way you can help our channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead. Take care and God bless.